On inauguration day, I will be leaving the administration along with the rest of the Biden-Harris administration. But I want to say thank you on behalf of the President and Vice President for your service. This has been something that has been a hallmark of the Biden administration. How do we invest in people that invest in our communities? I grew up in a community that didn't have a lot of resources. We had community and people that took care of one another, that were there for one another, sharing their last dimes and making sure that kids like me could achieve dreams that maybe they couldn't imagine. The change for my family was my mom sent me to my local Boys and Girls Club. And it was at my local Boys and Girls Club that I met my first foster grandparents. I was at the Boys and Girls Club. I met a host of people who weren't looking to get rich, weren't looking to get famous, but wanted to make sure kids like me were loved and were lifted up. So I just say an incredible thanks.
The year began with the Palisades and Eaton wildfires tearing through acres of Los Angeles. In response, GCLA stepped up, sending aid to fellow Angelinos in need. In June, when masked men were abducting friends and family members from our streets, GCLA remained a safe and stable place in the heart of the community. Children continued receiving care and families continued receiving the food they needed. GCLA strengthened our partnership with Charles Drew University to ensure our community still received vital health screenings and preventative care. With prices rising due to tariffs and cuts to SNAP benefits squeezing family wallets, GCLA expanded our partner network to grow our food share program, ensuring families could continue putting nutritious meals on the table. While 2025 presented many unique circumstances, GCLA made critical investments that support our organization today while maintaining the flexibility to meet tomorrow's challenges. Our fiscal responsibility allows us to feed families, upgrade childcare facilities, and expand youth mentorship programs. Hundreds of families rely on our stability during this time of uncertainty. GCLA's leadership team ensure that our entire staff and partners operates with the clarity, direction, and resources needed to uplift the community. GCLA staff and volunteers provide both a lifeline through essential services and a goal line as role models, showing children, students, and community members what they can grow into. We're proud that we've continued to grow our staff in both numbers and capacity.
As Executive Director, I'm guided by the belief that the vision we plant today will shape South Los Angeles for generations. The infant, toddlers, and preschoolers entering our early learning program in 2026 will graduate high school, and the youth and project lead will become young adults by 2040. Our responsibility is to provide the foundation, support, and help they need to grow into leaders, teachers, doctors, social workers, lawyers, public servants, and informed voters who will help shape the future of our city.
For over 53 years, the Girls Club of Los Angeles has uplifted the South LA community with services for children, youth, and families. Now, through the Emotional Smarts for Better Mental Health Initiative, Girls Club LA is helping men manage emotions in healthy ways, guiding positive decisions, stronger relationships, and improving wellness. Join Girls Club LA Dr. Marvin Espinoza and Bishop Byron L. Smith Sr. at the KGLH Men's Empowerment Summit. Rise Up, Saturday, September 13th at Cal State Dominguez Hills. Visit girlsclubla.org or you can call 323-754-2122. 323-754-2122. You can even email at info@girlsclubla.org. Together, let's rise up for stronger minds and healthier lives. Visit girlsclubla.org for more information.
Where do we go from here? When I think of that question, I think about champion democracy. Our next steps involve fostering civic engagement, ensuring every voice is heard, equipping communities with the tools to advocate for themselves. Champion democracy means building bridges across differences and standing firm in pursuing collective progress.